everybody, and welcome back to Engineering Graphics. Okay, so we've been learning about assemblies. I showed you a couple buttons, and I'll be honest with you, there's honestly not that many buttons that we're going to be using in assemblies. I'll show you more, but we're going to start hitting on some of the extra little details. We spent forever in sketches, we've been forever in features. Assemblies, you're putting stuff together. You did a whole lot of work. There's a lot less work to do now. But let's jump into a very important one. Okay. So what I have right here are three pieces, and being silly, I'm just going to, kind of eyeball where they should go. That looks about right. That's how Legos work. Now, hopefully you realize that something is horribly wrong with this, that I am not doing a very good job. I should be using mates. Even if I was using mates, this can still happen. But after you have created things, after you've started assembling them, one key detail you need to know is, are they overlapping? Could I actually put them together this way in real life? Or is one somehow magically ghosting through another? So to figure that out, you have to evaluate them. There are a lot of different things to evaluate. The big one for us right now is interference detection. You need this to use this in every single assembly. And so I click on it. I click Calculate. And of course I feel silly because I accidentally took this from right here. Delete. Okay, I'm going to select everything. There we go. And now I'm going to calculate. And it shows me right here all these different places. You'll see that it's highlighted the volume in red that's interfering. Well, obviously I didn't do a very good job here. I just kind of overlapped those two pieces. That's why all the red is right there. Same right here, and right here. All of those are overlapping or intersecting something else. So all of those things are currently interfering. I need to fix that. Well, how do I fix it? Well, I actually do mates, okay? Now, as a note, you can mate things so that they interfere. I can do that right now if I wanted to. Like this right here. I'll go ahead and do it for you. I'll go ahead and show you that you can be silly. Okay, so I'm going to mate. I'm going to reverse the direction. That looks good. Mate. Looks good. And mate. Okay, I have just interfered them on purpose. Okay, I went ahead and made them. So these guys are fully mated. It's not like I've just placed it randomly. I chose to do that. And now if I go to interference detection, I will see, surprisingly enough, calculate. There's a big interference there. Who would have guessed? Oh no, I gotta fix my mates or something. Why did I do that to myself? Weird, strange. Yes, 12. Okay. Usually it's much smaller than that. Normally where you see this is if you fillet an edge in one spot or fillet an edge in another spot, and you don't fillet the mating edge as well, you'll have one sharp edge cutting into a filleted edge. And so it's a good thing to know, oh, I forgot the fillet there. Got to add it in. Other places might be where you would see this and you'd want to see it, is some things are meant to interfere. You actually have interference fits, where you're supposed to have something that is too small or too big being squished together. And it does that because a lot of force is being held onto it, and it just is held in there by the pressure. So in that case, it wouldn't matter to you that you saw this, if you saw interference. But for a lot of cases, you don't want interference. You need to look at it, and if there's a big interference, it can be an issue. Later on, if we ever go into motion analysis, right here, you can also see how things are moving and see, does it interfere at some point when it's moving, like some sort of crankshaft or axle. When it spins, is it causing things to interfere? Okay, so this just tells you where it is. You've got to figure out how to fix it from that point on. But hopefully, this button will help you and keep you from creating something that just wouldn't work if made in real life. It's really frustrating when that happens. So, thank you for listening. I hope this helps you, and I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.